Magandang umaga mga kosa. Bali, ngayong araw nga pala, pupunta tayo sa Distinguished Gentleman's Ride. Ginaganap to tuwing Mayo. So, lahat ng mga classic bikes, vintage, ayan, mga Vespa, sa mga retro bikes, nagtitipon-tipon para sa tinatawag na mental health awareness and prostate cancer. Ayan, isa sa mga martial. Buti na lang hindi ganong mainit nung araw na to. Sarap talaga sa pakiramdam ng morning rides no? So yan, naka-touchdown tayo sa pit stop natin. Hanap tayo ng parking. Ayan si Press Johnny Bravo. Sige boss, ito pala Ayan, pagdating dyan sa parking, medyo nagkahiwa-hiwala yung grupo, no? Kasi kami sa kalahati. Bali ito, start na ng parade. Ayan si kuyang photographer. Pumusing pa ako, tapos biglang nalikuran ako. Okay, hindi ako pinansin.
Pag ako photographer, lahat pinipitigan ko Kaya nga, tinapla ako
Horses out, palibasa, lalaki, MacArthur Park are outside, Danor inside, Krugeranda, then followed by Proud Idol, MacArthur Park, in the middle portion is palibasa, lalaki, and in third, Krugerand, then followed by Proud Idol, and going along for the first turn, MacArthur Park, running by the release, palibasa, lalaki, a length back in third is Krugeranda, then followed by Proud Idol in fourth, and in fifth, Surplus Girl. Next in line is Princess Mabi, and it's still MacArthur Park by Hapalenga. Palibasa, lalaki, still in second, Kruger and in third, and in fourth still is a Proud Idol, Princess Mabi, Surplus Girl, then followed over by Habulimna, and it's still MacArthur Park just in front. Here comes Palibasa, lalaki, now trying to get closer in second, Kruger and now in third, and it's still MacArthur Park, Palibasa, lalaki, Kruger and now are outside third, MacArthur Park, palibasa lalaki, Kruger is already outside as they come down the last of the day. MacArthur Park, palibasa lalaki, Kruger is already outside, Kruger, palibasa lalaki, MacArthur Park, palibasa lalaki, by a leg about MacArthur Park, Kruger, and finally, palibasa lalaki. MacArthur Park, Kruger, then comes Reliable, then Habulin, Princess Mabi.
Welcome to the third race at the Honeymoon is Over Downs. They're at the gate, and they're off.
Horses out of Gastambide, past the begin, moving a party outside is no money, no honey, yes, Foggy, down on the inside, right here, right now.
Hop, pause muna, ayusin ko muna yung camera.
Love Story comes next, and Big Bang is the early trailer going along for the first turn. We have Gastambide, and on the outside now is No Money, No Honey to take the lead. And in second is Gastambide, right here, right now in third, yes, Foggy in fourth, Love Story. And a long way back to Big Bang, and it's still No Money, No Honey by Ralenga. Gastambide remains in second, moving up.
take that is yes, Pogi. Right here, right now, down on the inside port, Love Story and Big Bang. And it's still no money, no honey. By on the line, Galihapa. Gastambide remains in second. Yes, Pogi on the outside third. Right here, right now, down on the inside port, Love Story. As they come down at the last 150. We have no money, no honey. Yes, Pogi. Gastambide in between horses. It's now yes, Pogi, followed by Gastambide. No money, no honey. We have yes, Pogi, followed by Gastambide in second. And entering the finish line, it's yes, Pogi, Gastambide. No money, no honey. Right here, right now. Love Story and Big Bang.
Says forecast 2-4. Right, 2-4-5-1 ang datingan natin. So it was the favorite. Gaya ng inaasahan ng